to use Netflix to save time binge watching. So to save time binge watching Netflix, what you can do is speed up dialogues. Simply tap your screen while watching an episode and look for the speed button, and then change it from 1 to 1.25 or 1.5 to watch standard dialogue. Heavy shows faster without losing track of the story. Now the next what you can do is keep an eye out for the fast forward, skip intro or skip recap button that pops up automatically to jump straight back into the action. Now the next what you can do is open the Netflix app, then tap on My Netflix at the bottom right, then tap on your profile name at the top left, then go to app settings, then go to smart downloads, and when you finish an episode on Wi-Fi, Netflix automatically deletes it and downloads the next one in the series, so it's always ready instantly. Also make sure that autoplay next to episode is toggled on in your profile settings to eliminate the need to manually tap to start the next part of your binge. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.